Many growers and processors use terpene spray to enhance the aroma and terpene profile of cannabis flower. Over time, cannabis buds can lose some of their natural scent during drying, curing, and storage because terpenes are volatile compounds that gradually evaporate. Because of this, growers sometimes spray terpenes on weed or cannabis flower to restore aroma and maintain consistent terpene character across batches of buds. Terpene spray for cannabis flower works by applying botanical terpene compounds as a fine mist, allowing the aromatic molecules to settle across the surface of the flower. The role of terpenes in cannabis aroma. Terpenes are the natural aromatic molecules responsible for the distinctive scent of cannabis flower. Different terpene combinations create the wide variety of aroma profiles associated with cannabis strains. For example, certain terpene blends can produce citrus-like, fruity, earthy, or pine aromas in cannabis buds. When terpene levels decrease over time, the scent of the flower may become less noticeable. This is one reason growers may apply terp spray to cannabis buds to enhance the aromatic profile. Restoring aroma to cannabis flower. One of the most common reasons growers spray terpenes on weed is to restore aroma to cannabis flower that may have lost terpene character during storage. Because terpene spray contains botanical terpene compounds, a light mist can reintroduce aromatic molecules to the surface of the buds. This helps enhance the scent profile of cannabis flower while maintaining the natural structure of the buds. The goal is to complement the existing terpene profile rather than overpower the flower. Why spray equipment matters. Even application is important when spraying terpenes on cannabis buds. A terpene spray machine or terpene spray gun creates a fine atomized mist that distributes terp spray evenly across the surface of the flower. This helps avoid oversaturation while improving terpene coverage. The Spraymaster by Terps USA is designed as a precision terpene spray machine that applies terp spray evenly across cannabis flower using an air-pressurized atomization system rather than aerosol chemical propellants. This type of controlled application helps maintain the natural structure of cannabis buds while enhancing aroma. Botanical terpene formulations. Most terpene spray products used for cannabis flower are formulated using botanical terpenes extracted from plants such as citrus peels, herbs, and other aromatic botanical sources. These plant-derived molecules mirror the types of terpenes naturally found in cannabis flower, which allows terp spray to enhance aroma without altering cannabinoid potency. Since 2019, Terps USA has focused on botanical terpene spray systems designed specifically for cannabis flower and buds. Explore terp spray for cannabis flower. If you want to enhance aroma or restore terpene character to cannabis flower, explore terp spray options designed for buds and weed here. https terpenesusa.com/collections/shop all collection. For precision application using a terpene spray machine or spray gun, learn more about the Spraymaster. Terp sprayer here. https terpenesusa.com. Products. Terps USA spray. Master key takeaway. Growers spray terpenes on weed or cannabis flower to enhance aroma and restore terpene character that may diminish during storage. When applied as a fine mist using a terpene spray machine or atomizer, terp spray distributes evenly across buds and helps maintain the aromatic profile of the flower.